Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the PowerDial 3.0 from Kreft. Alright, so for all you KTM, Husqvarna, and Beta owners out there, cool little accessory coming from Kreft. This is their PowerDial 3.0. What this allows you to do is fine-tune and adjust your power valve engagement on the fly without any tools needed. If that's something that you're looking to be able to do, this will get the job done. Now, if you're not too familiar with the power valve, what it does, or why you want to be able to adjust it, well, we will talk about that. So the power valve is a movable flap on the exhaust port of a two-stroke engine. Now, when your engine's at a lower RPM, that flap is partially closed, making the exhaust port diameter smaller. Now, when it's smaller, this helps give more power and torque at those lower speeds, those lower RPMs. But as your engine starts to build RPMs and more power, that flap will start to open, which increases the diameter of your exhaust port, allowing more exhaust to exit the engine, which will give you a more broad, usable power at the top or as you build those RPMs. Now, for KTM, Husqvarna, and Beta bikes, the point of when your power valve will start to open and how long it takes is based off of two springs that you have in your power valve mechanism. You have your auxiliary spring, which you can see I have right here on the table, and then you have your main spring. Auxiliary spring will dictate how quickly that valve opens, and your mainspring, which is what this Kreft PowerDial 3.0 tool will adjust, dictates when that valve will start to open. So what's cool is that KTM Husqvarna bikes actually come with 3 different auxiliary springs when you buy a bike brand new. You have a green, a red, and then a yellow. So what you can actually do is just interchange those springs. So the green will actually allow that power valve or that flap to open up over a longer period of time, which will help lengthen out and make the power a little bit more smooth. And then the red spring will allow it to open up faster, and that will actually give you a little bit more torque, a little bit more aggressive on the bottom end. And then you have the yellow, which is going to be right in the middle. So you can interchange those different auxiliary springs. Now with the main spring, what you can do is you can use this power dial to adjust the tension on that main spring. So once you have this installed, again, the main spring, remember, will adjust when that power valve will start to open. So auxiliary is how quickly, the main spring is when. So by turning this clockwise, once you have it installed, that main spring will actually allow the power valve to open a little bit later. So that'll help smoothen out the power. Now, if you turn it counterclockwise, that valve will open up sooner, which will give you a more aggressive feel to your engine characteristic. So again, that's what the power valve does. And again, you have multiple different ways that you can adjust it, but by having this PowerDial 3.0, while you're out riding, if you want to, you can adjust that mainspring tension, you can adjust it on the fly. So depending on where you're riding at, the characteristic of the engine that you want, depending on the riding conditions, you can simply just get off and adjust it. So it's pretty cool they allow you to do that. Now with the PowerDial, a couple things you do want to keep in mind. This is not designed for TPI bikes. As far as the construction goes, it's machined from nice high quality aluminum, so super good finish to it. And then with install, very simple, shouldn't take you very long. It comes with instructions. They're very easy to follow. In a nutshell, you're just going to remove your power valve adjuster housing. Once you've done that, you're going to pull out the adjuster mechanism. Now, it's really important, though, they will explain in the instructions, you want to find out what your base setting is before you just remove everything. And what I mean by that is how many turns in or out your adjuster already is. That way, when you install this, because you're just going to thread this onto your adjuster housing, you're going to thread it on, and then you're going to set it to your base setting so you can adjust it from there. And the last thing you're going to do is with this flap, this will be the last thing that you put on once everything else is put on the bike. Put your flap on, voila, you are good to go. So install, very simple to do. And again, for you KTM Husqvarna Betas, if you're looking for an easy way to adjust your power valve on the fly, change your engine characteristic, here is your solution. If you have any questions about it, leave your questions, your comments below. We will get those answered. To pick yours up, it is real simple. Just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember, orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this little product spotlight, you want to see more just like it, along with our buyer's guides, our bike builds, or how-to videos, well, make sure to get subscribed to our YouTube channel, and that way you stay up to date. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.